I got two different machines here. One is an old customer's machine where they adjusted the track, and one is a machine that is a brand new machine that I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the track. When you're operating a business, you want to maximize what you have for as long as you can. Maintaining the track is going to prolong the life of the track and make your overall operating quality a lot better. First things first, if you don't know how or where to find the proper track tension, if you go into your operator's manual, it'll show you a chart on how to actually measure the track and explain to you what you need to do. It says that a normal sag is between 10 and 20 millimeters between the top of the pleat and the bottom of the roller. This one is loose. So this right here is a little tool that I made, and this is on the high end for your track adjustment. It's 20 millimeters. First things first is you want to make sure that the machine is properly supported. It is, but never solely trust hydraulics. So keep your hand and your feet away from underneath the track, because if the hydraulics go out, at least you're not going to be crushed. What we'll do is, this is the plate that covers up the track tension grease fitting. All right, loosen that one up, loosen that one. You just slide the plate back, and there's your track tensioner right there. So you don't need a whole lot of grease to do this. As you'll see, it takes very little to actually get the track tension to come out. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna slowly, as you see it's bouncing, that's the track tensioner pushing the track out further and further. So, go ahead. Take your time. And there you go. The top of your pleat and the bottom of your roller at the max 20 millimeter gap between the two. That is how easy it is to properly adjust your track out. Now, to loosen your track tensioner up, you're going to need a 19 millimeter, and you're going to basically loosen this jam nut up, and it's going to release all the grease in the tensioner, and your track will fall. That's the sound of what a properly adjusted track will sound like. It'll be smooth, no popping, no metal on metal grinding noise. That's what you're looking for. All right, so now that we showed you how to properly adjust per the factory settings for your track tension, now I want to show you what an improper track tension looks like, i.e. too tight. So this machine right here, you can see there is no gap between the top of the track and the bottom of the roller. Some operators think that you want more track tension, but actually what you're doing is you're going to damage a lot of components on your machine. Some of your components you're going to damage prematurely and wear out prematurely is your idler, your segments, your top and your bottom rollers, and obviously your track. So just take an example, this is what it would sound like on a really tight track. Here, popping. These rubber tracks have steel pleats. When you get too tight, you'll either snap your track, or you'll get right here to where you'll constantly have to continue to push your track out, because it's going to just continue to eat the rubber and the steel up. You're also going to wear out the bearings inside your idlers and your upper and lower rollers. So the rule of thumb is, if you're in the business of making money, proper track adjustment will keep you from spending money.